The mihi animas trateratole, give me souls, take away the rest. Father John po, SDB. We are now in the 13th Sunday in Ordinary Time. But today we are celebrating a solemnity. The solemnity of St. Peter and Paul. How important is this feast for us? St. Peter and Paul reminds us of our duties and responsibility as Christians, and that is to become proclaimers of the good news. Kailangan nating ibahagi, ikalat ang mabuting balita na binigay sa atin ng ating Panginoong Heso Kristo. This is our responsibilities and duties. No? That what we proclaim is the salvation brought to us by God, that His mercy and His compassion and love is for all. We will never say na tayo lang ang maliligtas. But what we are proclaiming is that anyone who accept and believe and live the teachings and the love of Jesus will be saved. Ito po yung pinoproclaim natin. And in our first reading, St. Peter, pinakita po dito that walang makakapigil sa kanya in fulfilling his duty in proclaiming the good news brought to us by Jesus. That even makulong man siya or patayin man siya, walang makakapigil sa kanya. Sapagkat he was so convinced, really in love to our Lord, that He will really share that He has experienced through Him. At ito din po yung pinakita ni St. Paul in our second reading. He proclaimed what he witnessed and experienced na walang makapigil sa kanya, even prison or death. Ganun po sila ka-convinced. Ganun sila ka-in love kay Lord. That they share it to their brothers and sisters. Pero napakaganda po ng paalala ng ating Ebanghelyo, taken from the Gospel of Matthew chapter 16 verse 13 to 19. Ito po yung sagot ni St. Peter. Nang tinanong ni Jesus sa kanyang mga disipulo, "Who do people say that I am?" Ang dami nilang sinabi, ikaw daw si John the Baptist, ikaw daw isang propeta. But the Lord asked a very personal question. How about you? Who do you say that I am? Tinanong tayo ng Panginoon, ikaw, after what you have heard and experienced, sino nga ba ako sa puso mo? Sino nga ba itong Panginoon na ating pinaglilingkuran, na minamahal, na pinaniniwalaan? Ito po yung tanong ng ating Panginoon sapagkat nais yung maging personal sa atin. Sapagkat what we're going to answer is what we're going to share to our brothers and sisters. Madaling matuto sa ating naririnig at nababasa tungkol sa ating Panginoon. Pero the Lord is telling, go to your heart and experience me sa buhay mo. And how I work with you is the one that you're going to proclaim to your brothers and sisters. Kung kaya nga po, ito po yung sagot ni St. Peter. You are the Christ, the Son of the living God, because he experienced and witnessed the power of Jesus, His godness. Therefore, ito yung proclamation niya. And the Lord said, "Blessed are you, Peter, because you are blessed by God." So my dear friends, my dear brothers and sisters, our Lord Jesus is being so personal at this very moment. We're going to proclaim according to what we know, what we have experienced. Because it is easy for us to learn sa ating mga nabasa at narinig. But mas mararamdaman ng ating mga kapwa kung ang ating proclamation ay nagmumula sa ating mga puso. Kung paano tayo binago at tinutulungan at minamahal ng ating Panginoon. So my dear brothers and sisters, let the question of Jesus be a personal question for us. How about you? Who do you say that I am? So once again, my dear brothers and sisters, God bless us all.